Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here today we have a 2012 Holden Commodore VE Series 2 Amiga station wagon. It's a 3-litre LFW engine with the automatic box in it. Got a little bit of water on the floor, I suspect, a little tap on the front bar there. 160,000 Ks, 166,000 Ks. Not a bad car at all around. You give it a clean up, it's quite good. Here's our big block engine under there. With our compliance plates here. We'll jump around and start it up for you. It's got guards, bonnet, doors, tailgate, wheels. Trim's a bit grubby. Start it up. 166,115 kilometres. Feels like a kitten. CD player in there. Everything's stock standard. Yeah, got a rear bar, hadn't had a tow bar on it. Spare wheel in the boot. Quite a clean car, really. Here's our other compliance plate in the corner here. Let's get around there for you. Reading it upside down. Where are we? 21st to 3rd 12. So there it is. One VE Commodore Amiga wagon for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need some of these Commodore parts or any other car parts for that matter, passenger, commercial, 4-wheel drive, nothing to beat up just 4-part plus at all, give us a call from that number on the wall. Okay, I shall stop rabbiting on and get back to work. Alright, thanks for watching and bye for now.